Maintaining a healthy colon is essential for overall well-being. The colon plays a vital role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and waste elimination. When it becomes sluggish or overloaded, toxins can accumulate, leading to various health issues. Fortunately, nature offers several remedies for a gentle and effective colon cleanse. Here are 5 home remedies that you can incorporate into your routine for natural colon cleansing. 1. Hydration is key. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to support your colon. Water helps to flush out toxins and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Aim to drink at least 8-10 glasses of water a day. For an extra boost, consider adding fresh lemon juice to your water. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can enhance digestion and promote detoxification. 2. Fiber-rich foods. Incorporating fiber-rich foods into your diet is crucial for healthy bowel movements. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass and helping to keep your colon clean. Foods high in fiber include fruits, apples, pears, berries, and bananas. Vegetables, broccoli, carrots, and leafy greens like spinach and kale. Whole grains, oats, quinoa, and brown rice. Additionally, consider adding legumes such as lentils and beans. Not only do they provide ample fiber, but they are also packed with nutrients. Aim for at least 25-30 grams of fiber daily to help your body maintain a healthy digestive system. 3. Probiotic foods. Probiotics, or good bacteria, play a significant role in gut health. They help balance the gut microbiome, improve digestion, and can even enhance the body's ability to eliminate waste. You can naturally boost your probiotic intake by consuming foods like yogurt. Look for varieties that contain live and active cultures. Kefir, a fermented milk drink that is rich in probiotics. Sauerkraut and kimchi, fermented vegetables that provide beneficial bacteria. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help promote a healthier colon and improve overall digestion. 4. Herbal teas. Certain herbal teas can also aid in colon cleansing. For instance, dandelion tea and peppermint tea are known for their digestive benefits. Dandelion can stimulate bile production, which helps break down fats and support digestion, while peppermint can soothe the digestive tract and alleviate bloating. Consider sipping on these herbal teas regularly to encourage a healthy digestive system. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar ACV is a popular natural remedy for various health issues, including digestive health. Its acidity can help stimulate digestion and promote regular bowel movements. To use ACV for colon cleansing, mix 1-2 tablespoons with a glass of water and drink it before meals. This combination can help your body break down food more effectively and support the overall digestive process. Conclusion. Incorporating these 5 home remedies into your daily routine can promote a healthier colon and better digestion. Remember that while natural remedies can be beneficial, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet, stay active, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have specific health concerns. By nurturing your colon with these natural approaches, you can pave the way for improved health and vitality.